what about learning from songs and movies? Do you believe that someone can acquire a language from listening to songs and movies?
Definitely,
Yeah,
definitely.
yeah.
I'm actually listening to Spanish songs and I'm starting to sing along with it.
I hope it is Shakira.
Nah, no.
Yeah. Mm.
Yeah, I love a lot of Spanish songs, so it's helping me a lot.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Yes,
Yeah.
recently I had recorded a video translating the song of Alan Walker alone. Yeah, I was translating this word, trying to explain some expressions and some idioms from the songs.
Yeah.
So yes, I think that uh, you can learn a lot from movies and songs.
Yep.
Yeah,
It actually really helps with intonation as well, to go up and
yeah.
down in the way you say things.
Intonation. It is. I think intonation is the most advanced level of speaking any language, not only English, but in any language. When you have the intonation of this language,
Hmm.
this is the most advanced thing.
Yeah. I mean,
Yeah.
it's not that as hard as you think though. Like I really love teaching this to my students.
Mm,
It's like, like for example, I have a student from Poland and
yeah.
he has the really thick accent and he just talks like this, like just straight monotone, blah 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 blah.
Mm,
So I taught him say, "Would you like this apple?" And I teach him it goes up and down and how we say things. And it's really helped him a lot.
mm.
And I had to teach him how to sing, actually. Not like
Really?
sing, but I say it really helps
Yeah.
to be able to do the bars. And you go, ah, because he
Mm.
couldn't even do that. He was just like, ah. I'm like, nope. You pretend it's like stairs. You go upstairs and come downstairs.
Mm.
So yeah, it's not that hard to learn if you have somebody help you with it.
Exactly. Yeah. So
Yeah.
movies and songs will help with intonation.
Songs definitely will help a lot.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Also another question I would like to ask you, because there's two methods of learning a new language. Some people will tell you you have to immerse yourself in, in this
Yeah.
language and let it overwhelm you, and then subconsciously you will speak this language. But yeah,
Mhm.
but
Okay.
the another message says no, you don't have to buy it more than you can chew. So
Right.
you just go step by step and just learn deliberately and learn consciously what you are going to learn.
Yep. I agree. I don't agree with the subconscious. I don't think that
Mm,
actually works. It may work for some people, but
yeah.
um, no, I think that every day, if you just work on it a little, even
Mm,
just a little, like I actually say to some of my students, it's a good habit to, in the morning when you wake up, to write like a paragraph in
mm,
English,
yeah.
just to like, welcome your day to English. Then go about your day doing your regular things, and maybe when you have time later on in the evening, you can practice doing something else. You can watch something, you can talk to people,
Yeah.
just like on Hello Talk, we come on
But
and we
but
talk to
doesn't
people.